deliveries of wheelchairs, patients will ask for seat belts, or the seat belt on the companion chair will become broken. So you may wonder how to replace this or how to install it. That's what we're going to discuss now. Here's the back of your wheelchair. You can see here that there are screws here and here that the seat belt are connected to. So the first thing you're going to do is take your electric drill and unscrew those. You can see the seat belt will fall right out. You can remove it. Your new seat belt, you just rehook it right to the same location. Add your screw. Take your screwdriver. Screw it in. Same on this side. Screw it in. And now you have a new seat belt on either your companion chair or any chair where they need one installed.